Hi, I'm Kobe De La Cruz, the captain of St. Jude Catholic School's varsity team, and I play guard.
Hi, I'm Keith Newhook, co-captain of St. Jude Catholic School, and my positions are 4 and 5.
We had our fun after winning the championship, but the good days are over. Now we're back to zero, and we're working our way up the ladder just like we did last year.
Again, us St. Jude, we had a lot of disadvantages, especially in height, but we can assure you that we're not gonna back down. Same as last year, you're not gonna back down.
We invite you all to come watch and support us play in this upcoming Season 11 of PCYAA.
Long live the green!
I am Ian Reala, power forward and team captain of the St. Stephen's High School basketball team.
My name is Bral Teng, co-captain of St. Stephen's basketball point guard.
I'm St. Stephen's High School Juniors Volleyball Team Captain, Vinat Brian Lee, and I'm a center.
Hi, I'm St. Stephen's High School Midgets Volleyball Team Captain Julian Lindsay Testor, and I'm a middle blocker.
Last season was very disappointing for us because we were expected as the contenders for the PCYAA, but we didn't even make the top 3. So this year it's motivation for us to do better and to get the championship, to leave a legacy before we graduate.
As the captain for this season, I would like to maximize the capabilities of my teammates. So during our trainings now, we try to improve and build our game system.
We have all been pushing ourselves beyond the best of our capabilities to improve progressively and show a better performance this season.
You'll expect us to be much better version of ourselves compared to our previous season, and we promise you that we will win this championship.
We are the SSHS basketball team. Come and watch us ball out this upcoming season.
Watch our games this PCYAA Season 11. For the Lord and for the school, St. Stephen's High
School! Go beyond with Smart, the country's fastest and best mobile network. With unlimited 5G data for 12 months. Unlimited text and calls for both mobile and landline. And unlimited Netflix mobile on us. All with Smart Postpaid's powerful SIM-only plan starting at $999. Get it on eSIM online, anytime, anywhere. Switch now and keep your number. Get the power to go beyond, only with Smart Postpaid.
Jumbo Plastic Linoleum. Gawang Pinoy, sikat Pinoy. Jumbo Plastic Linoleum. Gawang Pinoy, sikat Pinoy.
I value this the most.
Sulitin natin.
You guys ready?
Power all 99, please.
All access data and only TikTok for only 99 pesos.
Magic data for me.
Data that doesn't expire, also 99 pesos. Smart Super Value deals coming right up.
Get the most out of your 99 pesos. With PowerAll's 8 GB for all apps plus only TikTok.
Or magic data that doesn't expire. Switching? Simple with Smart eSIM.
Smart Super Value deals.
I value this the most.
Sulitin natin.
You guys ready?
Powerall 99, please.
All access data and only TikTok for only 99 pesos.
Magic Data Premier.
Data that doesn't expire, also 99 pesos. Smart Super Value deals coming right up.
Get the most out of your 99 pesos. With Powerall's 8 GB for all apps plus Only TikTok.
Or magic data that doesn't expire. Switching? Simple with Smart eSIM.
Smart Super Value deals.
Jumbo Plastic Linoleum. Gawang Pinoy, sikat Pinoy.
Go beyond with Smart, the country's fastest and best mobile network. With unlimited 5G data for 12 months. Unlimited text and calls for both mobile and landline. And unlimited Netflix mobile on us. All with Smart Postpaid's powerful SIM-only plan starting at $9.99. Get it on eSIM online, anytime, anywhere. Switch now and keep your number. Get the power to go beyond. Only with Smart Postpaid.
Down to our final game this Tuesday doubleheader. We're still live here at the Don Domingo UG Gymnasium here in Binondo, Manila para sa ating PCYAA Season 11. And now, semi-finals, the battle between St. Jude Catholic School Green Knights and St. Stephen's High School Stephenians. These teams have a lot of shared history together, and it is a jam-packed crowd from both these teams.
Yeah.
Charles Bechong here, Coach Joseph Guino bringing you the action para sa ating PCYAA Season 11, brought to us by Jumbo Plastic Linoleum.
Good evening, everyone. Sorry for the little bit of a delay here because of the may inayos lang po tayo dito sa crowd natin. Kaya, pero rest assured, labanan po ito going to the finals. So it's gonna be a mountain to climb here para dito sa St. Jude. It's gonna be a twice-defeat advantage para dito sa St. Stephen High School, finishing the elimination round as the #1 team here in the Season 11. Pero sinasabi mo, Ken, as the defending champion, this St. Jude, you don't count them out. Kumbaga, lalo na with the coaching staff that they had, Coach Luis, Coach Bernard Digia, Coach Martin. Kumbaga, they come out prepared against the troops of Coach Steven Tan, Coach Jesse Anchoco, Coach Philip C. So, talaga nga, yung 2 weeks break na yon, kausap ko yung mga coaches, sabi ko, anong ginawa natin for the past 2 weeks. So, you go, Coach Steven, sabi niya, I have the 2 tune-up games against an NCAA team. Si Coach Luis naman, he has also 2 tune-up games. So talagang no letdown for them. Kumbaga, hindi ka pwede magpabaya sa 2 weeks break na nangyari. So talaga you must keep in sharp. Kumbaga, yung focus mo going to this game is nandun dapat. Hindi pwede mawala.
And itong St. Stephen's High School, nabanggit mo nga, yung 2-week break natin, masyadong mahaba yung pahinga na yon. Pero bago yung 2-week break na yon, they lost their last elimination game, kaya hindi sila undefeated all the way to this semifinals.
Yes, tama ka dyan. On their last elimination game, Uno won over St. Stephen High School. Kaya meron silang, kumbaga, nadungisan yun yung clean record nila on the elimination.
Start of the first quarter brought to us by Jumbo Plastic Linoleum, and the possession goes to the St. Stephen's High School Stephenians. Kenzo Bumanlag, quick three-pointer, 3-0 agad tayo. Tan wanted to answer back, but De La Cruz is there. And a miss by De La Cruz. Now Brial Teng running. Almost a steal. Brial Teng being guarded by Tan. Driving inside. Traveling violation is going to be called against Brial Teng.
It's going to be the first turnover of the St. Stephen High School here in this ball game. You feel the intensity of this game. You feel the crowd. Kumbaga, they're very into it. Well, all the alumni are here. I can see some of the former players of the St. Jude Catholic School, and some of the players also of St. Stephen High School is here to support their alma mater.
And Ethan Cao picks that rebound and the putback to give his team their first 2 points of this ball game.
The green shirt is now into the true 3 zone. Sinimulan dito nila Coach Luis, pero wag tayo magtaka mamaya kung biglang magpo-full court press itong ng mga bataan ng mga naka-green.
Kenzo Bumanlag wants another 3. This time, it is short.
It's the second attempt of Bumanlag on the 3-point line. So, Kobe De La Cruz as the point guard duties here for the green shirts. Sabi nga natin, converted lang to si Kobe because of kawalan ni Andre Chong. Pero
Keith
ito hindi
Yu
kinonvert.
powers inside. Rebound, putback is good for Keith Ngu.
What a good putback para dito kay Keith Ngu.
Now Brial Teng, his 3-pointer, that will not connect. Keith Ngu with the rebound. Tan on the left wing. Now Ethan Cao, number 1 scorer. Tan, corner 3. That is long. Kanya pa rin ang rebound. Takbo ngayon, mga nakaputi. Tan driving baseline, floater. And Keith Joshua Ngu skying high for that rebound. Battling for every possession.
That's the second rebound of Keith Ngu here. So 2 points and 2 rebounds as early as 7 minutes here to the second quarter. Alam mo, magbibigay sa'yo ng magandang laro to si Keith. Di pa rin nakakahawak ng bola dito si Ethan. Speaking of di nakakahawak, his first touch of the ball, the first attempt on the 3, wala.
And that Ethan Cao 3-pointer was a miss. He's well scouted for sure.
So hindi lang well scouted. Alam naman natin itong kakayanan nitong Ethan Cao. Alam nila yung strength nitong batang to. At alam din nila kung pag uminit, mahirap bantayan.
Oo. He's the leading scorer for this league. Now, Ong. Driving inside. He's fouled. A lot of contact right there. All 3 minutes gone by the first quarter. The score is 4-3. St. Jude Catholic College still in the lead. Now Tan fires and he scores for 3.
That's the second basket of St. Stephen and the second 3-pointer in this game. Para sa kanila, Ethan Cao again against 3 white shirts. Fade away. It's off.
Now the Stephenians. Kenzo Bumanlag hit a 3-pointer earlier. Tan, top of the key 3. Off iron. And it's gonna go the other side.
babalik yung bola dito sa St. Jude. So talaga both team hindi pa naglalabas ng mga press nila. Both team is playing on their zone defense.
St. Jude Catholic School still on the lead right now. Tan inside. Christian Kobe de la Cruz, 12. Tan, corner jumper. Now Kenzo Bumanlag against Kobe de la Cruz and Ethan Cao. He scores! Kenzo Bumanlag!
Bumanlag all the way to the basket against two green shirts. And look at that defense. Yung binibigay nila dito kay Ethan Cao. And a foul para dito kay Ong. Oh, I think it's Bumanlag. That's his first foul, a pushing foul for him.
Four-point lead for the Stephanians. 5:41 remaining here in the first. Sayang that opportunity.
And an offensive foul was called for a green shirts. Kumbaga yung pagkakasil niya, nilak niya eh. Talagang referee saw that. Sakto, nandun siya mismo sa harap ng referee kaya siya natawagan ng offensive foul. Bralteng here.
Now, Josh Ong kicks it out. That short stab will not connect.
And a good jumper by Nang right there on the short corner. It's also his first attempt coming off a bench.
Ko loses the ball. And the turnover by the Green Knights. 5:09 remaining here in the first. A 4-point lead for the Stephanians.
If Stephanians win today, that's their first time to go to the finals since joining in the Season 5, the PCYAA. So it's going to be historic also for this team to go to the finals.
Two servings, no good right there for Stephanians. Pero nakuha pa nila ulit ang bola. Bralteng to Sam Nang. And a foul is called against Keith Ngo.
A quick rest for Bumanlag. Balik na siya agad dito.
And 16 seconds on the shot clock for the Stephanians. Bumanlag. Zo. And 3-second violation is committed by the Stephanians. Bola. Babalik ngayon sa St. Jude.
A very low scoring for this first quarter for both team. Kasi hindi pa nga score si Bralteng, wala pa rin score si Ethan Cao. So talagang the both team is showing good defense.
Kenzo Bumanlag and his squad running. Sam Nang guarded. 2-3 zone defense by the Green Knights. Still they get the ball. Sam Nang finishes inside.
And a good offensive rebound by Sam Nang right there. But before that, yung sundot nila dito kay Kobe de la Cruz.
A 6-point lead for the Stephanians. 3:54 remaining. Kobe de la Cruz, high arcing shot. Ethan Cao saves it to the wrong guy. Bumanlag bringing down the ball. Sam Nang for 3. And it's all air for Sam Nang.
Another quick breather para din dito kay Ong. So kita na natin dito yung nangyayari dito sa St. Stephen. It's gonna be a short rotation for Coach Steven Tan.
Almost a turnover. Risky pass right there for the Green Knights. Now C gives it to the Cruz. Ko, corner 3. That is good for Ko.
That's the first three-pointer of the St. Jude in this game coming from Ko.
Kenzo Bumanlag kicks it out. Now the green shirts running. Ethan Cao. Traveling violation for Ethan Cao.
As a point guard of St. Jude Catholic School, if you saw Ethan Caos running beside you or running on the transition, you must give up that ball and give the ball to him. Kasi alam naman natin, isa sa strength itong ni Ethan is the finishing on that transition offense.
Oo, gustong-gusto niya yung mga open lanes na ganyan. And a turnover of unforced error para dito St. Stephen's High School. Bola babalik ngayon sa St. Jude.
I want to greet to all our mga lahat na nanonood sa live natin, the 390 viewers. So enjoy the semifinals games, guys, here in the season 11.
Zach Nigel C. finishing over two defenders right there. Now it's Sam Nang. Still a zone defense para dito sa St. Jude Catholic School. Sam Nang for 3. Sablay nga lang dun. Nakakuha nito ng mga naka-green. Zach Nigel C. kicks it out. And that three-pointer is too strong for the Green Knights.
A good attempt right there by St. Jude.
Screen by Zhu. Deng spins. Lefty layup. He's fouled. He'll shoot 2 free throws.
No, it's a chance for Braille Tang to score here in this game. So get a 2 free throw for him. So batiin natin yung mga nanonood. Coach Bong Pascual and Matthew Ang and Mr. Filipino is watching on the live.
Braille Tang shooting 2 free throws, averaging 15 points per game and 6 rebounds. Monster numbers for a guy who's not that tall. Now they are denying Ethan Cao right now. Kenzo Bumanlag. Turnover after turnover para dito sa St. Stephen's High School. But still, they're in the lead by 3.
With 1 minute and 39 seconds left here, 12-9. Kitang-kita mo dito gaano yung depensahan nitong dalawang team na to.
.139 remaining here in the first quarter. 3-point lead para sa St. Stephen's High School. Good defense by St. Jude. Kenzo Bumanlag all alone. He scores for 2 and he extends the lead to 5.
It's one of the strengths of St. Stephen is that fast break points.
Almost another steal by Kenzo Bumanlag. He's been all around the ball game, Kenzo Bumanlag. He now has 5 points. And his defense is impeccable. 10 seconds to work with. Zach Nigel C. driving inside. Floater, that is too strong. Now Braille Tang, 54 seconds remaining here in the first. Kenzo Bumanlag. That is a miss. Ito na, Ethan Cao. This is where he is most dangerous. Steps back, 3-pointer. That is short. Now the white shirts decides to wait for teammates. 12 seconds on the shot clock. Sam Nang, in and out. Ethan Cao, full head of steam. And still could not score. Ethan Cao, pull-up jumper. After 3 attempts, Ethan Cao is still scoreless. Wild shot to finish the first quarter. A 5-point lead for the Stephenians. 14-9 is our score. Now let's take a look at the Smart Sports first quarter highlights. It's been Ko, Bumanlag, Ong, and Deng for St. Stephen's High School. At para naman dito sa St. Jude Catholic School, Ko, Ethan Cao, and Zach Nigel C. Ethan Cao is yet to find his rhythm right now. A 5-point lead for the Stephenians, 14-9.
Jumbo Plastic Linoleum. Gawang Pinoy, sikat Pinoy.
Paano siya nagka 2 points? Hindi ko maalala. Puro na lang. Nakalagay doon. Parang wala siya points.
Second quarter is about to start. 5-point lead for the Stephenians. Great start for them, especially for Kenzo Bumanlag, who already has 7 points for his team. 14-9 is our score. And Ethan Cao, the best player of St. Jude Catholic School Green Knights, still yet to find his rhythm. He only has 2 points right now, but has 5 rebounds. Start of the second quarter brought to us by Jumbo Plastic Linoleum. And the ball will stay with the Green Knights.
What a good play right there by the St. Jude. Kataulan talaga, hindi na salo ni Kit Ngu yung bola. What a good steal sana para doon kay Tan.
Oh, an offensive foul is gonna be forced by the St. Stephen's High School Stephenians. We are inviting everyone to watch us live here at the Don Domingo UG Gymnasium here in Binondo, Manila. And if you can't watch us live, tune in sa ating we're live on Smart Sports and PCYAA TV. Charles Bichong here. Coach Joseph Guion bringing you the action ng ating semifinals ng PCYAA Season 11. Now St. Jude Catholic School, Keith Ngu tries a 3-pointer as the shot clock winds down. And now Kenzo Bumanlag.
Ethan Cao is on the bench, kaya kitang-kita mo doon. Hirap yung St. Jude maghanap kung sino yung magiging gunner nila.
Now still a 5-point deficit for the Green Knights. Christian Kobe de la Cruz. Zach Nigel C. Keith Ngu, triple team. That will not connect for Keith Ngu.
A good attempt by Keith Ngu right there on the perimeter. Alam naman natin yun yung mga tira na ibibigay at kukunin niya.
Now, Josh Ong missing that layup. Takbo ngayon. Christian De La Cruz crossover. Gets 2 defenders. Christian Kobe De La Cruz scoring 2 points plus the foul.
A basket by Kobe De La Cruz is a bonus for Coach Luis Nolasco. Hindi naman kilala tong bata to score, but kilala siya since mga 10 and 12 under days nila to be athletic, a rebounder, or a hustle type of guy. Getting a score from him is a boost for the team.
Let's see if he will convert that free throw. No, he won't. Pero sa kanila pa rin ang bola. Fresh 14 for the Green Knights. Tan to C on top of the key. Crossover. Kobe De La Cruz free inside. And that will not connect.
Yun, sinasabi natin, sayang na opportunity.
Oo.
Mapuputukan na sila. Nakuha pa nilang tumira. Yun nga lang, napili ng bola lumabas.
Kenzo Bumanlag scores his 9-point here in this ball game.
Opening the game with 3 points. Now he got 7 points here in our game. Talagang siya yung leading scorer in this game.
St. Jude Catholic School. Kobe De La Cruz again. Floater! High arcing shot is good for Kobe De La Cruz.
Now the full court press, the 2-2-1 now is in apply for Coach Luis Nolasco.
Kenzo Bumanlag, 3-pointer. That's his 12th point. Pero agad namang binawi ni Zach C. Now full court pressure by the Green Knights. Bumanlag having a hard time bringing down that ball. Brailteng inside, kicks it out. Almost fumbles it. The drive inside and a foul.
They're playing a good defense for the past 17 seconds. 7 seconds left in the shot clock and a drive. Natawagan pa ng foul doon itong St. Jude. So it's gonna be 2 free throw para dito kay Chan. He's only a 3-point ball game.
Andre Chan with a chance to give his team a 5-point lead with 6:46 remaining here in the first half.
Batiin pa natin one of the coaches, the former coaches here in the PCYA, Coach Kent Lim, ang legend ng PCYA, si Kevin Wu is watching.
2 misses for Andre Chan. Now Zach C. Kobe De La Cruz inside. Another floater for Kobe De La Cruz.
The best friend ngayon ni Kobe De La Cruz itong glass natin.
Oh.
That's the second off the glass basket para dito kay De La Cruz.
Now Brailteng spots up, swishes it. Ethan Cao inside, and he scores. And a timeout has been called by St. Stephen's High School. 6:03 remaining, 21-19, St. Stephen's High School.
I value this the most.
Sulitin natin.
You guys ready?
Powerall 99, please.
All access data and only TikTok for only 99 pesos.
Magic data for me.
Data that doesn't expire, also 99 pesos. Smart Super Value deals coming right up.
Get the most out of your 99 pesos. With Powerall's 8 GB for all apps plus Only TikTok.
Or magic data that doesn't expire. Switching? Simple with Smart eSIM.
Smart Super Value deals.
6 minutes and 3 seconds remaining here in the first half. 2-point lead for the Stephanians, 21-19. And they have the possession. Charles Pechong here. Coach Joseph Guino bringing you the action para sa ating PCYAA Season 11. Now these are the semifinals. And right before the play starts, meron na agad tayong foul. Neither of the players giving an inch to each other.
Exactly, that's the word, not giving an inch. When you deny a man, don't give an inch. You're gonna play hard defense. And a steal here for the green shirts. Ethan Cao driving in the lane. And a basket for Ethan Cao.
Ethan Cao scoring through 2 defenders off a steal. Defense to offense by Ethan Cao. Finally getting his rhythm. And the steal by the Green Knights. Keith Josh Rungu! And a timeout has been called by St. Stephen's High School. They now take the lead, 23-21.
Go beyond with Smart, the country's fastest and best mobile network. With unlimited 5G data for 12 months. Unlimited text and calls for both mobile and landline. And unlimited Netflix mobile on us. All with Smart Postpaid's powerful SIM-only plan starting at $9.99. Get it on eSIM online, anytime, anywhere. Switch now and keep your number. Get the power to go beyond, only with Smart Postpaid.
And the upcoming schedule para sa ating Philippine Qingyin Athletic Association. At ito ang ating mga sports na kasali dito. Chess, swimming, and table tennis. Lahat yan mangyayari sa March 16, 17, and 23. Now 5:31 remaining here in the first half. St. Jude now in the lead.
What a good defense right there. Binibigay dito ng green shirts.
Takbo ngayon. Green Knights, Ethan Cao. Slicing through the defense for 2.
Yan, sinasabi natin, mahirap mag-init itong batang to. Now Ethan Cao with 4 straight points, giving St. Jude the first 4-point lead here in this ball game.
Bry Long, that shot was too strong. Only hitting the backboard. Christian Kobe de la Cruz bringing down the ball. Keith go inside. He loves that, and he makes it. Josh Ong against the outstretched arms of Keith Ngu.
Lucky break there for Josh Ong. Nawala na siya ng balance doon. Nawala lang nga lang yung bola kay Keith Ngu, and an easy basket for them. Now they're here, 3 against 1. Bumanlag. Decided to drop it. And a foul. It's going to be 2 free throw for the white shirts.
And you can just hear the intensity of this crowd right now. Four-point lead for the Green Knights, 27-23. Let's take a look at what happened. Kenzo Bumanlag dropping off to his teammate, and then there's a lot of contact. Joe is shooting 2 free throws.
I want also to greet our pastor in Hope Christian High School, Pastor Wiljo Ong. He's currently watching right now. So, maraming mga taga-Hope Christian nanonood dito, watching the games here live. Some of my players, that's one of our goals, joining next year here in the PCYEA. That's why we're preparing early for this year.
And Joe converts that 2 free throws. Now Kobe De La Cruz, team captain, slicing inside, this time not using the backboard.
No defense at all. Kobe De La Cruz again in front of that ring. This time nga lang, hindi ginamit yung board.
Oh. Ryle Tang! 4-3! And the timeout has been called by St. Jude Catholic School Green Knights. 1-point game, 29-28.
Jumbo Plastic Linoleum. Gawang Pinoy, sikat Pinoy.
.32 remaining here in our first half. Is a tight contested ball game. 1-point lead for St. Jude Catholic School, 29-28. And this is the upcoming schedule para sa ating PCYAA. Chess sa March 16, 17, and 23. Swimming sa March 16, parehas sa table tennis. Parehas siyang March 16. Now St. Jude Catholic School leading by 1. Christian Kobe De La Cruz, he loves that. Keith New patented jumper. Sablay nga lang doon yung tira ni Keith.
A good jumper right there for Keith New on the short stab. Pero,
now Sam Nang uses the pick. Fires and he scores.
finally, they got the lead back after trailing by 6 here in the second quarter.
Now Ethan Cao dropping it to Keith New. Battle for the ball. And the ball will go St. Stephen's way.
So balik yung bola dito sa St. Stephen. And with that defense, the Josh Ong has an off night dito, pero kailangan niya depensahan dito si Keith Ngu. Kung hindi ka man makascore, just play kumbaga on the other end of the basketball. If you're gonna play offense, just play defense. Yun yung pwede mong gawin. Now look at the defensive stance here of the green shirts. Alam naman natin mula doon yung pagkakalamang nila kanina dito sa second quarter, the 2-1 press. Now that's easily broken by St. Stephen High School.
Now Sam Nang fumbles, losing the basketball. Now Ethan Cao, step back three-pointer. That's too short, but Kobe De La Cruz is there. Now Kenzo Bumanlag, floater against Ngu. Off the bank is good for Kenzo Bumanlag.
Still, Enzo Bumanlag is on fire here in the second quarter. He's already with 13 points.
St. Stephen's High School now leading by 3. 32-29. 1:53 remaining here in the second quarter. Kenzo Bumanlag checks out. Kobe De La Cruz. Turnover. Now, Josh Ong. Still a cold night right now for Josh Ong. And a timeout has been called by St. Jude Catholic School Green Knights. 32-29 is our score. St. Stephens.
I value this the most.
Sulitin natin.
You guys ready?
Powerall 99, please.
All access data and only TikTok for only 99 pesos.
Magic data for me.
Data that doesn't expire, also 99 pesos. Smart Super Value deals coming right up.
Get the most out of your 99 pesos. With Powerall's 8 GB for all apps plus Only TikTok.
Or magic data that doesn't expire. Switching? Simple with Smart eSIM.
Smart Super Value deals.
I value this the most.
Sulitin natin.
Final 140 of the first half. 3-point lead for the Stephenians, 32-29. And this is the upcoming schedule for the PCYAA. Yung chess natin, March 16, 17, and 23. Swimming, March 16. And table tennis, March 16 also. So tune in para sa ating upcoming games from different sports dito sa ating PCYAA Season 11. Now the Green Knights with the ball. Ethan Cao, backdoor cut, reverse. Well defended right there.
Got a good backdoor play right there by Ethan. Pero yun na nga, nakaabang sa kanya yung depensa ng St. Stephen doon. That's 1 against 3 on that sequence.
Ooh, almost an easy shot, but it is disrupted by Ethan Cao. And now they have a 9-second shot clock. St. Stephen's High School, what will they do? Good inbound play. Perfectly executed. Yun nga lang, hindi pumasok. And a pushing foul is going to be called against Sam Nang.
That's only the first foul of Sam Nang here in this ball game. So, di kakayanin ng single coverage on the transition ni Ethan Cao. Kung pwede mo i-double team o triple team mo siya on that transition just to stop him from attacking on that area, ay gagawin mo.
Now 5 seconds to work with Keith Ngo. And they were not aware that the shot clock was winding down. Good defense by the St. Stephen's High School Stephenians. Now 40 seconds left here in the first half. Josh Ong wants to challenge Keith Ngo, but Joe is there for the cleanup. It's a 5-point lead, 34-29, last 30 seconds of the first half. Ethan Cao wants to drive inside, shuts down nicely. Now 14 seconds left. Bryle Teng. St. Stephen's High School. 5 seconds. Sam Nang launches a three-pointer. And that will do it for the first half of this game. 5-point lead for the St. Stephen's High School. Ethan Cao and Keith Ngo managing to carry their team. And the halftime highlights brought us by Smart Sports. St. Stephen's High School Brialteng with 8 points. And 34-29 is our score. We'll be back after this break.
Jumbo Plastic Linoleum. Gawang Pinoy, sikat Pinoy. Jumbo Plastic Linoleum. Gawang Pinoy, sikat Pinoy. Jumbo Plastic Linoleum. Gawang Pinoy, sikat Pinoy. Jumbo Plastic Linoleum. Gawang Pinoy, sikat Pinoy.
Go beyond with Smart, the country's fastest and best mobile network. With unlimited 5G data for 12 months. Unlimited text and calls for both mobile and landline. And unlimited Netflix mobile on us. All with Smart Postpaid's powerful SIM-only plan starting at $9.99. Get it on eSIM online. Anytime, anywhere. Switch now and keep your number. Get the power to go beyond. Only with Smart Postpaid. Go beyond with Smart, the country's fastest and best mobile network. With unlimited 5G data for 12 months. Unlimited text and calls for both mobile and landline. And unlimited Netflix mobile on us. All with Smart Postpaid's powerful SIM-only plan starting at $9.99. Get it on eSIM online, anytime, anywhere. Switch now and keep your number. Get the power to go beyond. Only with Smart Postpaid.
I value this the most.
Sulitin natin.
You guys ready?
Powerall 99, please.
All access data and only TikTok for only 99 pesos.
Magic data for me.
Data that doesn't expire, also 99 pesos. Smart Super Value deals coming right up.
Get the most out of your 99 pesos. With Powerall's 8 GB for all apps plus unlimited TikTok.
Or magic data that doesn't expire. Switching? Simple with Smart eSIM.
Smart Super Value deals.
And at the end of the first half, 34-29 is our score. 5-point lead for the Stephanians. And this is the Jumbo Plastic Linoleum halftime stats.
So kita natin dito sa field goals natin. Magkakadikit lang to. St. Stephen with 35 attempts, St. Jude with 40 attempts. So kita natin dito gaano kababa itong yung possession natin because of the defense of this both team. Kaya lang lamang dito yung St. Stephen because of their 3 points with 4 out of 14. Dito naman sa St. Jude is 1 out of 10. Forcing the isa rin sa factor bakit lamang dito ng 5 points itong St. Stephen because they forced St. Jude to 11 turnovers in this half. So yung 11 turnover na yan, mataas na yan knowing that how St. Jude played this game. Actually, they have a lead by 6 points in the middle of the second quarter, but St. Stephen came back to get that lead to finish the quarter with 5-point lead here in this ball game.
Charles Bechong here together with Coach Joseph Gino bringing you the action para sa ating PCYAA Season 11 brought to us by Jumbo Plastic Linoleum. Dito pa rin tayo sa Don Domingo UC Gymnasium, the home of the PCYAA. Now the start of the third quarter brought to us by Jumbo Plastic Linoleum. Possession for the Green Knights, and immediately Ethan Cao scores a triple to open the third.
So Ethan Cao opening the half with 3 points. So Ethan now is at the double digit with 11 points here.
Wow! So with that reverse layup over Ethan Cao.
And that press was easily broken. Yun lang naman kailangan mo. You must stay aggressive on the press break. Hindi pwedeng maging passive ka dun na kapag natatawid mo na yung bola, ihinto mo na. Just keep on attacking. It's gonna be a 2-on-1 or 3 against 2 para dito sa St. Stephen. Bumanlag is calling a Tom's play.
Brial Teng being heavily hounded by De La Cruz. Two-man game. Jumper short for Keith Ngu. Now De La Cruz gives it to see in the right corner. Keith Ngu. Short jumper is good for Keith Ngu.
Sweet jumper by Keith Ngu. Talagang pinanindigan niya na yung perimeter na yun.
Oo. That's his patented move. Now Josh Ong. Entry pass against Keith Ngu. And he scores. A much taller defender, Keith Ngu. But Josh Ong says no problem.
That's the first basket of Josh Ong here in this ball game.
Now De La Cruz, that three-pointer is strong. Brial Teng ahead of the pack. Gives it to Ong. Bumanlag. Shut down. And a turnover by the Stephanians. Bola mapupunta sa Green Knights. 4-point lead for the Stephanians. 8:02 remaining here in the third quarter. Remember, this is the semifinals. St. Stephen's High School has a twice to beat advantage over the Green Knights. Josh Ong almost losing that ball. Brial Teng directing traffic for the Stephanians. Picked by Joe. Switch. Floater. And battle for the rebound.
So it's gonna be a foul for Ethan Cao right there. But Josh Ong keeping the ball alive after that shot by Brial Teng. Hindi lang si Josh yung off dito sa game na to. Also Brial Teng, hindi niya pa nakukuha yung rhythm niya on the offensive end.
Although hindi pa niya nakukuha yung kanyang rhythm, he is diving for that 50-50 loose balls. That short stab right there from the Stephanians won't go. Zach Nigel C ahead of the pack for 2. And a steal by Ethan Cao. 4 straight points for the Green Knights.
So it's gonna be a warning para dito kay Ethan Cao. After that steal in a basket, he get that ball. It's gonna be a technical. The next time he'll do it. So we're all tied here with 38 points So, ito na nga. Ito na yung press na sinasabi natin na ina-apply nitong St. Jude. Yung bataan ni Coach Luis Nolasco. Kanina, when they do it with their 2-2-1, they got the lead with 6 points. Ngayon, na-erase nila yung 5-point lead na we're all tied here by 38.
Full court press by the Green Knights. And backcourt violation. Great defense being displayed right now by the Green Knights.
Chance again here for the Green Knights to take the lead here in the third quarter. So it's going to be a 14 seconds on the shot clock. Inbound there, the backcourt.
Now Zach C, left wing, denies the pick. Ito, si Brian Teng guarding Ethan Cao. Inaasawa na, Coach.
Kitang-kita mo dun sa screen nyo on the left side. Brian Teng is not moving. Talagang naka-shadow na siya dito.
Full denial,
Ethan Cao. Tawag natin doon, may bagong kasal ngayon sa game natin. It's Brian Teng and Ethan Cao.
And that's what you would expect from St. Stephen's High School. Someone has to guard Ethan Cao. And to guard him, kailangan talaga full denial. Unless pag nakuha niya yung bola, sobrang hirap ng pigilan si Ethan.
So you can see the coaching staff of Coach Luis Nolasco, Coach Martin, and Coach Kim Lo, former player also of the St. Jude.
38-38 is our score. 6:45 here in the third. Sam now fades away! Foul and score for Sam Nang. Chance to give his team a 3-point lead.
A good jumper right there by Sam Nang. So doing a fireman's duty. So balik yung kalamangan dito sa tatlo.
Zach C on the right wing. Keith Ngu wants it. And too much aggressiveness by Joel Ke on that play. Still a 3-point ball game. St. Jude trailing by 3. 41-38 is our score. 6:23 remaining here in the third. Good cut by Zach Nigel C. Yun nga lang, hindi pumasok yung tira doon, but he is fouled and he'll shoot 2 free throws.
That's his third personal para dito kay Bumanlag. Si Bumanlag dito is the high man for 13 points here in this ball game. So it's gonna be 2 free throw para dito kay Zach C. Try to cut down the lead into 2.
Zach Nigel C has already got 2 or 6 points right now. And he misses the first free throw, but he makes the second. It's a 2-point game, 41-39. Again, this full court press of the Green Knights giving the Stephanians a really hard time bringing down the ball. Josh Ong, that is too strong. And he gets the steal now. Kenzo Bumanlag, they have the numbers. Sam Nang over Keith Ngu. And he flexes his muscle.
That's the second foul counted of Sam Nang here in the third quarter. So, De La Cruz, pahinga muna, balik muna si Ko. That and one play against Keith Ngu.
Sam Nang already has 9 points this ball game. Just failed to convert that 3-point play. Now Ethan Cao, full head of steam, uses the glass to finish.
A good drive right there by Ethan using the glass. And look at the bodies on the floor right now. Alam naman natin, this is semifinals game. It's a twice to beat advantage para dito sa St. Jude. Tan, break, and we're all tied again at 43.
A breakaway layup for Tan, off the steal, defense to offense. And it's now a tie ball game once again. 5:17 remaining here in the third. Kenzo Bumanlag being guarded by Keith Ngu. Now it's with Sam. That is short. Green shirts are running. Zach Nigel C spins. Keith Ngu, that patented jumper was blocked.
A good block right there for Keith Ngu. For a Stephanian to Keith Ngu. Alam naman natin, yun yung range ni Kit.
Oh. Now Kenzo Bumanlag uses the pick. Short jumper. That will not go. Ayun, Ethan Cao na naman. Almost losing the basketball. Crossover. Step back. Kicks it out. Fly by three-pointer. That will not connect. St. Stephen's High School pulls down the rebound.
So balik dito sa tao-tao. Kumbaga naka-50 dito ng St. Jude. The half-court man-to-man defense. Sam Nang, fadeaway, wala.
Now the green shirts. Ethan Cao. His three-pointer. That will not go for Ethan Cao. Still a very tight contested ball game. 43-43 is our score. And a three-pointer by Brian Teng.
What a shot by Brian Teng right there. Now, Brian Teng with 11 points here in this ball game. Kakasabi ko nga lang, hindi pa siya ramdam, pero naka-11 points na siya dito. Babawi dito yung green shirts. Wala. Teng with a rebound.
And the miss by Tan on that three-pointer. That was too strong. Kenzo Bumanlag. Pick by Zo. Goes reverse. Kicks it out. Sam Nang for three. Yes! And they take the lead. 46-43. 2:58 remaining here in the third. Let's take a look at what happened. Brian Teng, a three of his own. And then the kick out by Bumanlag. Sam Nang joins the party. Back-to-back triples for the St. Stephen's High School Stephanians. 49-43.
I value this the most.
Sulitin natin.
You guys ready?
Powerall 99, please.
All access data and only TikTok for only 99 pesos.
Magic data for me.
Data that doesn't expire, also 99 pesos. Smart Super Value deals coming right up.
Get the most out of your 99 pesos. With Powerall's 8 GB for all apps plus only TikTok.
Or magic data that doesn't expire. Switching? Simple with Smart eSIM.
Smart Super Value deals.
Back-to-back three-pointers made by the Stephanians. A 6-point lead for them. 49-43. And the lovely fans.
So you can see on the screen the boss himself, Boss Jimmy De La Cruz, and our president, Coach Sherwin Tew.
Six-point lead for the Stephenians. 2:54 remaining. Christian Kobe De La Cruz, their team captain, driving inside. Floater, that will not go this time. Now Kenzo Bumunlag against two defenders, hangs in the air, finishes for two.
We have the 43-all deadlock and an 8-0 run para dito sa St. Stephen. And a foul here for Bral Teng. Posisyonan sa ilalim.
Now it's an 8-point lead for the Stephenians, 51-43. Christian Kobe De La Cruz, well guarded. And referee saying somebody kick the ball.
So it's
possession stays with the Green Knights. Fresh 14 for them. C on the right wing, crossover. Zach Nigel, that's Kobe De La Cruz rather. Bodies on the floor just to get the ball.
What a dive right there by Bral Teng just to secure the ball. And an offensive foul here by Kay, a moving screen. So next foul of the Stephenians will be on the penalty. So balik din dito si Eden Cao for the last 1 minute and 55 seconds here in the third quarter. Try to salvage the third quarter. Sabi nga natin kanina, 43-all lang to. And then an 8-0 run ang ginawa dito ng St. Stephen.
1:55 remaining here in the third. 8-point game, 51-43. Ko on the right wing. Zone defense by the Stephenians. Picked by Ethan Cao. Tan with 4. They have to hoist it up. That is short from Ko.
Good defense right there by St. Stephen. Talagang hindi sinaraduan nila lahat ng pintuan doon para sa green shirts.
And the upcoming schedule for the PCYAA, it's going to be a busy weekend for the PCYAA as we take a look at the chess, swimming, and table tennis. March 16, 17, and 23 para naman sa swimming and table tennis parehas on March 16. And together is the continuation of our ball games dito. Dito gaganapin yan lahat sa St. Stephen's High School. Pero yung mga basketball games natin, dito yan lahat sa Uno High School Gym. A 10-point lead for the Stephenians. Josh Ong, full head of steam. Sablay nga lang doon yung tira ni Josh. Now Ethan Cao. Driving inside. He is fouled. He'll go to the line for 2.
That's the second time that possession. Ethan Cao has ended up in the floor. So every time he gets that ball, he's gonna put his heads down, go straight to the basket, go driving hard. This time he got a body. A call for a foul, and look at the triple right there. Now it's gonna be 2 free throw for Ethan to stop the bleeding here para dito sa St. Jude.
And the first free throw is a miss by Ethan Cao. He's averaging 23 points per ball game along with 11 rebounds. Monster performance each game by Ethan Cao. Now St. Stephen's High School with a timeout, 41 seconds remaining. 53-54 is our score. St. Stephen's High School.
Jumbo Plastic Linoleum. Gawang Pinoy, sikat Pinoy.
Less than a minute remaining here in the third. 53-44 is our score. St. Stephen's ahead by 9. Charles Bechong here. Coach Joseph Guino bringing you the action para sa ating PCYAA Season 11.
And as you can see at the screen, Coach Sherwin Tew, the president of the PCYAA, is watching here together with a jam-packed crowd here in Don Domingo U Gym. So madadagdagan pa tayo dito after this coming Thursday. Also a semifinal game between Uno and MGC. So alam naman natin kanina, booming win for the Uno High School.
And a turnover by the White Shirts. Ball will go to the Green Knights. Now Ethan Cao wasting no time running. 27 seconds left remaining here in the third. Almost a steal by Chan. Ethan Cao pulls it up. Yes! Para sa tres. Para kay Ethan Cao.
It's gonna be a last shot para dito sa St. Stephen.
10 seconds remaining. Josh Ong, Andre Chan, Sam Nang to beat the buzzer. And that will do it to end our third quarter action. 6-point ball game. 53-57 is our score. St. Stephen's High School ahead by 6. And 53-57 is our score. St. Stephen's.
Go beyond with Smart, the country's fastest and best mobile network. With unlimited 5G data for 12 months. Unlimited text and calls for both mobile and landline. And unlimited Netflix mobile on us. All with Smart Postpaid's powerful SIM-only plan starting at $9.99. Get it on eSIM online, anytime, anywhere. Switch now and keep your number. Get the power to go beyond, only with Smart Postpaid.
Last quarter of action. Fourth quarter, 53-47 is our score. 6-point ball game. And St. Jude Catholic School trailing by 6. Despite Ethan Cao's monster performance right now, 19, 9, and 1.
We started the third quarter with 5-point lead para dito sa St. Stephen. 8 tabla dito ng St. Jude with 43 all and 10-0 run naman. Pero sinagot naman sila dito ng St. Jude to finish the quarter with 4-0. So simula natin dito yung fourth quarter with 6-point lead para sa St. Stephen.
Start of the fourth quarter brought to us by Jumbo Plastic Linoleum. Now Brian Teng. Two-man game with Josh Ong. Adjusts mid-air. Kanya pa rin ang bola. But they turn it over. Now Ethan Cao running. Full head of steam. Floater. Third serving is good for Ethan Cao.
On the third try. Look at the effort of this kid, Ethan Cao. Ayaw nyo pa umuwi dito. He wants that rubber match on Thursday.
Josh Ong. Still quiet, but finally, Josh Ong scores his 4th point of this ball game.
Speaking of effort, Josh Ong right there against 2 green shirts. Ko on the corner 3.
That is too strong for Ko. Now the Stephanians with the ball. Sam Nang. Almost. And the ball will go to the green shirts. 6-point ball game. 55-49 is our score. Charles Bechong here. Coach Joseph Gino bringing you the action sa ating PCYA Season 11 semifinals. Obi De La Cruz, 1 dribble, power move, and he scores.
And a basket here for De La Cruz. Now the lead is down to 4. Balik dito yung full court press dito ng green shirts. Bumanlag. Breaking the press. A floater in the middle. A rebound by Ethan Cao.
Now Ethan is running against all defenders, taking it all the way. Uses the glass and scores. Now it's just a 2-point lead by the Stephanians. Ito na naman yung patented press ng Green Knights. Almost a steal. Now they have the numbers. Joel Ke against 2 defenders. Now Zach Nigel C. Ethan Cao, top of the key 3. Bang! And they now take the lead. St. Jude Catholic School with a 1-point lead. 7:17 remaining here in the 4th and final quarter.
Saan nagsimula yun? It's because of their aggressiveness on defense. Doon nagsimula lahat.
And Sam Nang is on the floor right now. Tignan natin yung Ethan Cao performance. Couple of baskets and the top of the key 3-pointer.
So balik yung kalamangan dito sa St. Jude with that booming 3 of Ethan Cao. Rinig yung sigaw dito, papunta dun sa Menjola. And all they're watching in the live with 600 viewers enjoying this game, the semifinal game here between St. Jude Catholic School and St. Stephen High School here at Uno Gym.
A 1-point lead for St. Jude Catholic School Green Knights. This is the last quarter. If they win this ball game, there will be another game with St. Stephen's dahil merong twice to beat advantage itong Stephanians. 5 seconds to work with. Joel Ke. Cut! Is blocked by Ethan Cao. Access denied.
So playing at both ends, scoring and defending. Yan ang kailangan mo ngayon kay Ethan Cao to be a complete player here in the 4th quarter. Look at the replay right here. As you can see, that's the foul that committed by the white shirts to Ethan.
So, and there's a stoppage. Titignan muna natin yung nangyari dito.
So it's gonna be an official's timeout. I think they're discussing about the, I think one coach at a time yung tatayo dito. And nakatayo dito si Coach Bernard Digia and Coach Luis Nolasco. Pero hindi mo na masisisi with this kind of game and intensity. As a coach, minsan hindi mo na mapipigilan yan. Talagang mapapatayo ka na dyan.
And they know how big this game is for these two teams. Kaya you cannot blame the emotion, the frustration, everything. Now the Green Knights with the ball. Inside. That will not
Sorry,
connect.
miss right
Yeah.
there for the green shirts. It's an open attempt. And a good defense para dito kay Kobe De La Cruz. A quick breather dito para kay Iran Cao. Probably a 1 to 2 possession babalik niya ni Coach Luis dito.
Oo. Less baka a minute, more than a minute, hindi nga aabot eh. They still have the lead. 56, 55. 6 minutes remaining. Now, Tan misses that three-pointer but sees their floater. That is short. Bumanlag ahead of the pack. Kobe De La Cruz. Wala nang magagawa doon si Kobe De La Cruz. And the St. Stephen's High School now takes the lead. 57-56.
It's the best fast break team in the league. St. Stephen High School.
And there's a foul down low. So tignan natin that fast break of Kenzo Bumanlag. Ito yung nga yung sinasabi mo, Coach. Ethan ka, 1 or 2 possessions lang. Parang inamoy lang kung ano meron dun sa bench nila tapos papasok na siya ulit. Five seconds to work with. Floater will not go. Rebound by Bumanlag. De La Cruz is on the floor. Bumanlag ahead, side steps. And the foul is going to be called against Joel Ke.
That's gonna be the third team foul of St. Stephen. So sub dito si Ke. So balik yung bola dito sa St.
Right now, what a game, Coach.
Yes, this is the PCYA semifinals game. So what do you expect in a Final Four setup? Talagang kaya tayo punong-puno dito. Ramdam din natin yung energy nitong both crowd. The anticipation for this game.
Now St. Jude Catholic School trailing by a single point. Zach Nigel C. That floater is good. And they now take the lead.
It's gonna be half court, man-to-man para dito sa St. Jude. An open lane for Ong and a basket for him.
Both teams trading punches. And an offensive foul is gonna be called against Ethan Cao. This game has been a seesaw battle from the start. A lot of lead changes. And Kenzo Bumanlag is being attended by their medical personnel right now.
It's not only the head coach's busy on the bench, but also the PT and the medical personnel of both teams keeping the boys kumbaga, nasa performance level. Hindi pwedeng magka-cramps dito sa ganito ka-intense na game.
And the block right there from the Green Knights. Now they're running. Kobe De La Cruz, Keith No, he loves that spot. Kanila pa rin ang bola. And the basket will not count, says the referee.
It's gonna be a penalty na para dito sa St. Stephen on their next foul.
And tignan natin yung nangyari.
Doon yung foul.
Sabi,
Actually,
nasa baba daw,
after the hit,
sabi
there's a
ng
one
referee.
dribble.
(59-58). St. Stephen's ahead by 1. Keith Ngu to see. He was open. Decides to use that floater. Now Brian Teng. to Sam Nang. Left corner. Jab step. Josh Ong. He misses and he fouled.
So it's gonna be a 2 free throw para dito sa Green Knights.
And penalty na tayo for the Green Knights. They will shoot 2 free throws.
So sa mga kaka-tune in lang sa PCYA TV, we welcome you here in the semifinals game. Late na po kayo sa party, pero you're just right on time. We're gonna be going to the crunch time here with 59-58.
2 free throws missed by Tan. Now fakes. Drives baseline. Oh! Beautiful move by Sam Nang to get that separation against Keith Ngu. 3-point lead para sa Stephanians. Ethan Cao blocked by Josh Ong. He may be cold on offense but not on defense. Bumanlag is back. Kicks it out. Josh Ong wants to drive it inside. Kenzo Bumanlag. Corner triple. Josh Ong again. Sa play nga lang doon. Yung tira ni Josh. Zach Nigel C wants to drop it. Keith Ngu was there. Sorry, miss. Second serving is good for Keith Ngu.
So ayun na nga, may nag-cramps na dito. First casualty of cramps is Josh Ong after of that activity. Nangyari dito sa ilalim ng ring. Look at the replay, the offensive rebound para dito kay Keith Ngu, keeping the ball alive. It's just only a 1-point lead para dito sa St. Stephen.
One-point game, 61-60. The atmosphere here is crazy. Both teams, both crowds cheering for their respective schools. An electrifying crowd here at the Don Domingo UG Gymnasium here in Binondo, Manila. Charles Beichong here. Coach Joseph Guino bringing you the action of the PCYAA Season 11 semifinals.
It's gonna be a full court press right here. Ano naman natin dito, gaano ka-effective para dito sa St. Jude, but easily broken. Sam Nang a floater. A rebound para dito kay Kobe De La Cruz. And a foul! It's gonna be 2 free throw now for Kobe.
That will mean free throws.
O, tingnan natin dito. Kobe will be put here to the test. With a pressure pack. 2 free throw. Try to get the lead or tie the ball game. First free throw is off for Kobe.
3 straight misses on that line. As Stan missed those previous 2 earlier. Now to tie the game, Christian Kobe De La Cruz, their team captain, rattles it in.
And we're tied again to 61, Ken.
Now Tan almost traveled Strong pass right there. And Brian Teng is cramping. Sam Nang for 3. Ethan Cao to Zach Nigel save for the lead. It is good. 61-63. And Brian Teng is cramping right now. The unselfishness of Ethan Cao sharing the rock. Timeout. St. Stephen's High School.
I think it's
They
just an
lead by 2.
I think it's just an official timeout. Hindi tumawag dito si Coach Steven Tan. Just an substitution para dito kay Brian Teng. Brian Teng, alas hindi na makagalaw dito. Umakyat na yung cramps dito sa thigh niya. Kumbaga, look at him, carry. Go back to the bench. Look at the heart of this kid. Alam naman natin na, alam mo yung nangangalabit na yung cramps niya kanina, pinatali niya lang, pinatight niya lang yun. And bumalik siya dito sa game.
The crowd was clapping while Brian Teng was being escorted out by Coach Ethan Casares. Almost a steal.
So balik yung bola dito sa St. Stephen.
Last 2 minutes of this tightly contested ball game. Seesaw battle from the start. We are down to the final 2 minutes of this ball game. 2-point game. St. Stephen's trailing by just 2.
Game reset lang tayo dito, Ken. Both team has 2 timeouts left. Pero penalty na dito yung St. Stephen. 2 team fouls pa lang dito yung St. Jude.
And a turnover by St. Stephen's High School.
So it's gonna be an inbound to the baseline. 14 seconds to shoot para dito sa green shirts. It's gonna be a crucial basket para dito sa St. Jude. A separation, a 4-point lead.
Dan is open. Decides to drive it. And he is fouled on that attempt. That means free throw again for Green Knights.
The last 4 free throw of St. Jude is 1 out of 3. Tingnan natin dito yung first free throw. There you go. A 3-point lead for the green shirts.
Landstad with a chance to extend the lead to 4, making a 2-possession ball game. And he does. 1:41 remaining. 65-61, 4-point lead for the Green Knights. Kenzo Bumanlag with 17 points right now. Andre Chan, their sharp shooter. This time it's a miss. And Coach Luis Nolasco telling his squad to burn down the clock. Sidestep, Kobe de la Cruz to C for 3. And a timeout has been called by the Stephanians. 1:07 remaining. 4-point lead. Both teams battling their hearts out, giving more than 100% to win this ball game. 65-61, St. Stephen's.
Go beyond with Smart, the country's fastest and best mobile network. With unlimited 5G data for 12 months. unlimited text and calls for both mobile and landline. And unlimited Netflix mobile on us. All with Smart Postpaid's powerful SIM-only plan starting at $9.99. Get it on eSIM.
And on your screens right now, the crowd of this ball game. Both St. Stephen's and St. Jude Catholic School. And ito, tignan natin yung schedule. It's gonna be a very busy week for all the PCYAA students and athletes. Each crowd supporting their respective teams. And it's been one hell of a ball game. 4-point lead for St. Jude Catholic School. 1:07 remaining, 65-61.
So it's gonna be 3 casualty on the cramps para dito sa St. Stephen High School. Nagsimula na dito kay Zhu, Brian Teng, and now Josh Ong. After that timeout, halos di makatayo. Pero yun na nga yun naman talaga yung intensity ng semifinals dito, Ken.
Kanina rin, si Kenzo Bumanlag was being attended by the medical personnel. Now Sam Nang launches it. It was forced. Now if St. Jude escapes tonight, they will face each other again on Thursday. Kobe de la Cruz floater kisses it off the glass. And another timeout has been called. It's now a 6-point lead, 67-61, and the crowd of the Green Knights loving what's happening. Let's take a look at Kobe de la Cruz's floater right there. Pangatlo na niya yan.
And look at the use of the glass for Kobe. Alam naman natin that's his strength. That driving lane going to the basket is using that glass. And the crowd of St. Jude is loving here what they saw at a fight for the Green Knights. So alam naman natin pag nanalo yung St. Jude dito, there's gonna be a rubber match on Thursday. It's gonna win or go home for the Green and Violet on Thursday afternoon. Ken, so it's gonna be a 2-game semifinals game on Thursday pag nanalo dito in St. Jude, which is likely mangyayari with 45 seconds left here in the fourth quarter.
Now, Coach, with 45 seconds remaining, the St. Stephen's High School need a 3 or a quick 2?
It's gonna be a quick 2 for them. Pero nakikita mo yung lineup nila dito, Sam Nang and Bumanlag only are the Gunners. Kung titingnan natin dito kung saan pupunta si Coach Steven on a design play right here.
"45 seconds to determine which team." Oh! A turnover. Ethan Cao ahead of the back. And he scores, giving his team an 8-point lead. 40 seconds remaining. A crucial turnover for St. Stephen's High School. What an incredible turn of events.
Now, just Kobe de la Cruz gonna hold that ball on the middle. You don't need to attack having that 8-point lead. Kailangan ubusin mo na lang yung oras.
Keith New inside. That's the dagger. The nail in the coffin. Icing on the cake for Green Knights.
That's the dad of Kobe de la Cruz. He's enjoying the game. So the fourth man is on the floor. Bumanlag also suffering from cramps.
10 seconds remaining. Andre Chan wants to try it. And that will do it. St. Jude Catholic School escaping St. Stephen's High School 71 to 61. And they will face each other again on Thursday. St. Jude Catholic School showed a lot of heart right there. It was a tough contested ball game, a very, very close and tight battle until the end. And it all boiled down here in the fourth and final quarter. Nung last 2 minutes, bumulusok itong Green Knights, led by Ethan Cao. And the Green Knights' hopes of a championship is still alive as they will face St. Stephen's High School again on Thursday. And we have our best player of the game will be no other than Ethan Cao, scoring 28 big points, 15 rebounds, and 3 assists. This guy right here played his heart out. Did not start the game very strong, but finished it the way he wanted to be. And the games on Thursday, MGC New Life Christian Academy will go against Uno High School. And the second game, it's St. Jude Catholic School against St. Stephen's High School. Laglaga na po yan. And that will do it for tonight to cap off our Tuesday doubleheader for Coach Joseph Guino and the rest of the hard-working crew. This is Charles Peichong. See you at the ball games.
Jumbo Plastic Linoleum. Gawang Pinoy, sikat Pinoy.
Go beyond with Smart, the country's fastest and best mobile network. With unlimited 5G data for 12 months. Unlimited text and calls for both mobile and landline. And unlimited Netflix mobile on us. All with Smart Postpaid's powerful SIM-only plan starting at $9.99. Get it on eSIM online, anytime, anywhere. Switch now and keep your number. Get the power to go beyond, only with Smart Postpaid. Go beyond with